We are in a town with only 2 people living all year round. This is close to the Priorat wine era. Now they are selling the lovely hotel. It's a property for somebody that is looking for something that is not ordinary. It's about stones, about history, about wine, about Catalan tradition, and about tourists. The hotel was open for 10 years and actually ran a very successful business. It's closed for several years, but it still has a very good Google reviews. For someone that understands the real value is not always in convenience. It is in history, in peace, in tradition. In the possibility of continuing a story that already existed. This is not just a life in the Priorat. This is a life project waiting for the right person.